Hotel Torino. 4 stars. Stay in the heart of Rome. Boasting a terrace overlooking Rome's rooftops, Hotel Torino is only 650 feet from Termini train station and Repubblica metro. Free Wi-Fi is available throughout. Housed in a restored building in Umbertine style, rooms at the Torino are classically furnished. Each offers a flat-screen TV, air conditioning and a safety deposit box, while the private bathroom comes with a hairdryer. Comfortable, spacious, handy stay. Good breakfast, lovely big room, kettle provided when asked for, helpful staff, brilliant location next to station. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. I love the location as it was very close to bus and train station. The restaurant down the street was amazing. The room was spacious and clean. Great location. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.